Ninja started streaming again on Twitch.
Oh, yeah.
For the first time since Mixer shut down. He did that one test stream on YouTube, and it was all kinds of speculation that maybe he was going to be at YouTube permanently or that some deal had been signed, although there were no details about it, no press release, nothing. It looked experimental to me, but I assumed there would be tremendous interest in trying to lock this guy down to one platform or the other. Though in a way, streaming on Twitch for him still feels like the right move because that's where he built his fan base. It's where the biggest audience lives, at least for live. And he can still upload stuff to YouTube, no problem. He can be in both places, satisfy both groups. But anyways, he hopped on Twitch. I don't think he said anything specific about being there permanently. I saw a tweet yesterday insinuating that he was going to be there. He was near 100,000 viewers 15 minutes after it went live, this Twitch stream, and his YouTube stream from last month has 4 million views. Now, of course, on YouTube, your live stream figures roll into your view count at a later point, and then new views also contribute to that. So this is not like some sort of official deal. It's not like he got $100 million from Twitch to come back. That could have happened, but there's no announcement, and you assume there would be if that were the case. They would really want to let people know where to find him. Mm-hmm. And we're in a really curious time in streaming after the post-Mixer shutdown where it's hard to know what the value of these guys is. Twitch let go of Disrespect. Still, we don't know exactly why, what it was that he did, and he hasn't shown up anywhere else yet to this point. Ninja's been kind of off the map from a streaming perspective. Shroud as well. Very weird time from a streaming perspective, but this latest stream from Ninja would seem to indicate to me that we may be going back to the good old days. Everybody just pops up back on Twitch, except for Disrespect, who appears to be interested in exploring things other than streaming as well. So who knows where he shows up, but it appears there's an audience for Ninja. They showed up, like I said, 100,000 viewers in 15 minutes. People were waiting for him to show up, pop up somewhere. It's newsworthy. It does affect the industry. It's a big deal for streaming. So you can find him on Twitch, it appears, at least in the case of this particular stream.